Hello guys, what is going on? It's Martin D180 here. Today I'm back with another unboxing of the Razer Huntsman Elite keyboard. It's just arrived today, so just thought I'd unbox it for you guys. It's going to be my new keyboard. At the moment I'm using the Razer Chroma. I don't have the box yet. I thought I had the box. I'd show you which one I'm using at the moment, but I don't currently have it here, so it's basically Razer's cheapest budget gaming keyboard. It doesn't even have mechanical switches, it just has membrane switches. So we'll get into this. So let's take a look what's on the back of the box before we jump in. It states that this is Razer's new switches. They're called Opto-Mechanical switches. There's the keyboard. There's the switch itself. So I'll just read out their description here. It says the new Razer Opto-Mechanical switch, actuation at the speed of light. Utilizing optical light technology in a switch, Razer Opto-Mechanical switches actuate and reset precisely at the same point, 0 millimeters apart, for superior speed and instant gaming response. Enjoy a unique switch experience that's designed and manufactured by Razer. Balanced, tactile and lightweight feedback in every key press. So it's supposed to be much more useful for gaming, faster actuation points, things like that, combining the two technologies together. So yeah, let's jump in. I've been looking forward to buying this keyboard for a long time. It's been out a few months now, but I just haven't managed to get my hands on it. So first look in the box. It's just a keyboard and documentation at the top. So I'll take things out one by one, and as always I'll show you. So start the documentation, which as we know from my previous unboxings, nobody reads. So we've got a standard welcome to Razer stuff with the CEO signature down there. Awesome. Huntsman Elite handbook, and our stickers, same ones as in the last video. To try and get out the keyboard without damaging the box. So let's jump in and get the actual keyboard out. It's nicely designed by the look of it. So let me just get all the packaging off and we'll see what we've got here. So the box is now empty. There's nothing left in that box. I'll just put that down here. So let's get this out. Get that out. So the first thing, I like the new design. It's heavy. So here's the keyboard itself. So it's seems a lot more compact than previous, like there's no excess around the edge. Looks nice and clean. The top plate actually feels like metal rather than plastic. We have our designated media keys. Got 3 buttons here and the scroll wheel on the side. We have our RGB strip that goes the full length around. We have the beautiful Razer braided cable with dual USB. There is no USB pass-through on this though, I believe, but I will show you what the dual USB is for now. In the bottom here we have these gold pins. So what that's for is it comes with the ergonomic wrist rest that previous keyboards have had. This one's a little bit different. It's a lot heavier than the other ones as well, which is good. So this magnetically, I don't know if you can see, yeah, see the pins there? It magnetically snaps onto those pins. And this wrist rest actually has full RGB also around the entire perimeter. So yeah, that's all that's in the box. I'll plug this in. I'll get some footage of the sound of the switches for anybody that's interested in that, and then I'll get a quick look at some of the camera for this part of the video. Here is the plugged in Huntsman Elite. The Chroma effect, very nice. We're currently on wave. Just going through. I'll give you a quick sound test here. It's actually, if anybody's familiar with the Razer products, it's quieter than the Razer green switches, but I wouldn't say it's quite as quiet as the Razer yellow switches. But all in all, it seems like a very good keyboard. I'm very happy with this to replace my previous keyboard. It seems very robust, with its nice metal top plate. Even the wrist rest, the edges of it are metal too. It's really nice. It's very easy to connect the wrist rest, and it doesn't come off easily either. You actually have to give it a bit of force, so you can't just drop out and lose your Chroma. I totally recommend this buy for anybody that's looking for a top-end gaming keyboard and willing to spend a little bit extra for extra looks and things and performance with the new Opto-Mechanical switches too. If you enjoyed my unboxing, please subscribe and like the channel for more content. Follow me on Twitter and Twitch as well in the description. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.